boldly, love fiercely, and stand fast. Your labor in goodness is counted and will light the way for others. Chapter 5. Victory and Restoration, the Promise Fulfilled. Hear this with courageous joy. Revelation culminates in restoration. The drama of conflict resolves in a victorious renewal that restores the order God intended. The book of Revelation culminates not in annihilation but in redemption. It speaks of the final defeat of evil, and the inauguration of a reality where mourning is ended and righteousness dwells. This hope must transform the way you walk today. Live in ways that anticipate that world, practicing justice, pursuing peace, and stewarding creation. Do not confuse the delay of fulfillment with absence of purpose. Timeless patience is at work even now. Every act of goodness, every humble prayer, every gesture of reconciliation prepares the soil for resurrection and renewal. The enemies you face will be unmasked. The tyranny of falsehood will fracture. Rejoice in the promise. The light is guaranteed to prevail. Take heart. Take action. The ending written by heaven invites your cooperation.